Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shabs, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to revise for maths. And I think maths is one of those subjects that definitely there are two types of people. There's the ones that naturally get it, and there's the ones that actually naturally don't get it and have to put a little bit more effort. And that's why I also think it's one of those subjects that's quite annoying, because if you're not really a naturally mathsy person, then you can see people who actually get maths naturally, and that can really put you down and put you in a lot of stress. So then people don't tend to do it. But in this video, I have broken down into steps for you, easy methods to get maths and ace your exams. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. The very first step is to learn the content. This is a really important step, but also one that loads of people miss because they can go straight on to doing questions, but it's really hard to actually answer the questions and understand what you're doing without learning the content and how to do them. There are many ways you can do this. You can do this by looking at textbooks, looking at teachers or friends, and even looking at formula sheets so that you understand the formulas that you need for the test. So now that you've learned the content, now spend 15 to 30 minutes on each specific topic. This doesn't seem like a lot of time, but you just need to look at questions from the textbook or just do topic-based questions. You could ask your teacher for those and just go through them quickly and learn them. You've already learned how to do them, so this shouldn't be that hard. But again, if you do find some topics harder than the others, then make sure you spend more time on those and you actually understand them very well. Step 3 is to do past paper questions. Now this might come as a little bit of a contrast to you because we've just done topic-based questions and now we're going to past paper questions, but these two are definitely not the same, and it's one of the biggest misunderstandings. Topic-based questions seem easier because you're just working on the same questions with just same topics and the same type of questions. But past paper questions give you a full range, so you have to apply loads of different techniques, loads of different methods that you've learnt for the test, and this is also what your exam will look like. So past paper questions are a must. The next step is to mark your past paper questions. This is important because if you don't mark them, you don't know where you're going wrong and you can't improve. So always do past papers with the mark schemes and you know them, or else if you don't have a mark scheme or you can't find them and you've done a past paper, definitely go ask your teacher or a student that actually gets the topic. A quick tip is to do a past paper timed and then untimed and leave space between them. This is good because it will show you when you mark them which questions you find hardest because you're spending more time on them. And then ultimately you can do these questions first in the real exam so you can save time. Also, once you've marked them, the questions you've struggled most on, go back and do more topic-based questions on those so you don't struggle with them again. The last tip is to keep a quick notebook for bits you don't understand, especially for maths with loads of formulas, or if there's a particular type of question that you don't understand, just so you can look through them really quickly before the exam and so you're sure what to do with it when there's a question. So that's all for today. I hope you guys have learned a lot. Happy revising, and please subscribe to my channel.